tram cars, providing you with 360-degree views of your way from town. We've just left the station. The high country of San Central State Park and travel over 2.5 miles of cable. At the top of the temperature averages some 40 degrees good. Change, and the trees, flowers, and shrubs. We'll travel over 5 towers. The tallest is 127 feet.
Sama skała, nie? To jest granit? A tu widać, patrz jakie piękne.
All other towers had to be constructed by transporting workers and the materials to the various sites by helicopter. For the new rotation cars, new cable drive system and the removal of 1,050-yard lines. We'll see survey cars, box space that indicate where the new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees, travel, and the largest type in the world. We're now
Taki strumyk pływa, wiecie, no widzisz taki malutki, a on jest... Tu jakiś bo woda cały czas jest. Tak jak kosa drzewina, nie? O, widzisz te zielone bardziej. Wyciąłby to, nie?
No.
Ale piękne te kamienie z tymi liniami, z tymi żyłami.
Jak blisko, jak blisko kamienia, patrzcie jak blisko. Wyskoczył mnie z tego, nie?
As we approach the top of the tower, you can see a 16-foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along our journey. As you know, already noticed, we experienced a swinging motion tram car transition track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable is motion, result of the car moving from the flexible track. Right. The original tramway was designed and built by the Tramway company in Switzerland. All moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables to support movement and communication. The largest of these are the track cables on which we ride. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length, therefore weighing a total of 60 tons. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and 3. This happens
And if you look over to my right, you will see that other